Hello, little friends! Welcome to AJKIDZ World. Today, we'll become super sensors by learning about our 5 senses. Our first superpower is sight. We use our eyes to see colors, shapes, and everything around us. Look, a red apple, a yellow ball, and a green tree. Next, we use our ears to hear. Ding dong goes the bell. Tweet tweet sings the bird. And boom boom goes the drum. Can you hear them too? Our nose helps us smell. Yummy cookies. Fresh flowers and cheesy pizza. What smell do you like the most? With our tongue, we taste. Sweet. Bitter. Sour. Sweet ice cream. Whoa! Sour lemon. And yummy chocolate. Which is your favorite? Our hands help us touch. We can feel soft teddy bears. Cool water. And fluffy pillows. Touch makes the world fun. Wow, friends! Today we learned our 5 senses. Sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. With our senses, we explore and enjoy the world every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos.